Good morning, students. Our lesson for today is on killing a tree. Jeev Patel is an Indian Farsi poet, playwright, painter, as well as a practicing physician. He belongs to a group of writers who have subscribed themselves to the Green Movement, which is involved to protect the environment. His poem speaks of deep concerns for nature and expose man's cruelty to it. The first stanza tells us that killing a tree is not easy. It is a very time-consuming work. A jab of a knife is not enough. A tree grows straight out the earth, nourishing itself on the nutrients in the earth, along with years of sunlight, water, and air. And even though the bark looks irregular and scaly, leaf and branches sprout means spread out of it. The hack of a knife or an axe or chopping of a bow is not enough to bring a tree down. These jab may inflict pain on the tree, but the pain is not enough to kill it. The bleeding bark, the part where it has been wounded, bow is chopped off, will heal with time. Heal means to recover. New green twigs will grow again. Boughs chopped off will be replaced by new boughs, which will grow into their former size. In the third stanza, the poet explains how a tree could be killed. He says to kill a tree, its root has to be pulled out. The root, which is the source of a tree's life, must be pulled out of its cave in order to mortal the tree. By earth cave, the poet means the point deep inside the earth where the root is attached. Once the center, the life source, the root is exposed, the tree becomes vulnerable. The source is described as white and wet, probably to tree sap, which is a white liquid. The exposed life source, which when left open to the sun and air, will be scorched due to the heat, and the air won't be able to reach the scorched places to relieve it of the heat. Slowly it will start to become brown with all the softness out, leaving a hard, lifeless remainder behind. With time it will start to wither, become dry and bent out of shape, leaving behind a place where a tree used to be. In short, they will leave the root vulnerable to all the different weather, which will ultimately weaken the tree and kill it. Please do the exercise given below in your classwork exercise book and send all your homeworks to the mail address given below by tomorrow.